This here is a tree that it was taking over this whole area, so I cut down most of it, left one branch. The birds love it. You can tell because there's all these bird droppings on the plants underneath of it. But what I think I'm going to do is put moonflowers in that flower pot right there that doesn't have a bottom. And I put the flower pot there because it'd be so hard to dig in this and get seeds started. So I just set the flower pot down, and it doesn't have a bottom, so the seeds could go right to the ground. And I put it there last winter, so everything underneath of it is probably dead. So I'm going to plant some moonflowers in there. So last winter I put down these concrete blocks right here for the same reason, to kill the stuff underneath of them. And I put some mulch in there on the bottom, and then just some potting soil on top. And another one over here, just a concrete block with mulch in the bottom of it and potting soil on top. And so I'm going to put some moonflowers in there. And the one over here. And the one over there by that tree that the birds love so much. One year I was growing moonflowers on this post out on the side of the house, and the cardinals built a nest right in the moonflower vines. They like vines, and you could see that from our window where my desk is there. And so we got to watch the cardinals raise a brood in the moonflower vines that year. I hope we'd be so lucky for that again. We'll see. But that's what I'm going to do today. This is the potting soil I'm using, and this is just a package of moonflowers. You can see the size of the seeds. The bigger the seed is, the deeper you need to plant it. So I'm pushing them down in there, I don't know, 1/4 inch with my finger. And then just pat it down so the soil has good contact with the seed. And this is just the mulch I'm using, and the Miracle Grow. And I put the mulch in the bottom of this concrete block, and I'm just putting some Miracle Grow on top. And here is I got these packages of seeds at the store with different kinds of vines in them. And for now, I'm just going to use the moonflowers and the sweet peas, and leave the rest for another time or another place or something. So I'm just sprinkling them in there. And just as before, they're really big seeds, so push them in there 1/4 inch with your fingers. You can just estimate, it doesn't have to be exact, but they need to be covered pretty good. And those are the sweet peas. I'm putting both in together. Just push them in there, and then firm it down with your hand so the soil it's got a good contact with the seed. This is kind of an experiment. We'll see how this works. Putting moonflowers and sweet peas together. This one, you can see I'm putting some more mulch in there because it went down quite a ways, or else I didn't put much in. And now I'm just putting potting soil on top of it. Sprinkle the seeds in there, the moonflowers and the sweet peas. Then just push them in there. Just bury them. and then firm up the soil a little bit, and then give all your pots a good drink of water, and then that's it. Thanks a lot, and thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you next time. Goodbye.